Here's where you can go to enable emoji predictions, and this is part of the Microsoft Swiftkey Keyboard with the late 2025 update on Android devices. So let's say you're about to start typing and your keyboard pops up like this here, and if you type the word like LOL, you'll notice the emoji pops up like that. If it doesn't happen, that means you need to enable this feature here. So go to the three dots right here at the top right of your keyboard. Then go to where it says Settings. And as you're in the Settings section, you'll see a dedicated section known as Emoji. Now that you're here, go ahead and turn on this feature here, Emoji Predictions. So turn this one on right here. I'll turn it off just to show you how it looks when it's off. So for example, if I say the word LOL, right? You're gonna see now that if I say LOL, there's no emoji suggestions shown here for me to see if it's a emoji that's going to pop up. But when I turn this on now, I'll do it again. And now you'll see the emojis here showing up. And that's basically what it does. And that's what you were looking for, like and sub.